What's up, everyone? In this video, I will be revealing with you an amazing new case study regarding Google Ads account suspended for circumventing system policy. So let's get started with this. So welcome everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads Facebook ad, Bing Ad certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And so today I'm here with a new suspension case study regarding one of our client whose account was Google Ads account was suspended for circumventing system policy, and they had been affected and they had a very huge business loss due to this circumventing system error or issue by Google, and they had to change their business or marketing strategy because one of the core marketing aspect was to generate traffic from Google Ads, which was suspended due to this suspension policies. And I can understand that this may be very difficult for the client and painful as well for us, because we can understand how much patience is required by you and how much business you are losing through this. So let's get started on the case study. So this was an account which was being given to us. You can see the customer ID as well, and you can see that your account is suspended for circumventing system policy. We did not know that what could be the reason behind this. So because they started running on Google Ads, and they also had a previous suspended account, and then they provided this account to us, and then when the website came to us, we also discussed on a few of the changes which I will discussing with you guys as well. So you can see as well on what kind of a changes we did and what kind of issues were over there in an account. So but overall, that everything requires a patience and consistency by the client. So first of all, I like to be very thankful to my client as well, too, because they were very patient as well. So now I will be first of all showing you the account which we got it restored, and you can see the customer ID over here as well, and you can see that this account is not suspended anymore. And if I see on the notifications tab, if I press the notification tab, I'm I want to show you that you can see that your account is unsuspended. Your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information. So if you ask me what kind of a changes we did, so we all worked around on all of the pages of the website. We looked around. We been working with Google Ads suspension, Google Ad disapproval, Google Merchant Center suspension, and Google Ads management. So we have ample of experience in this field. We are a Google partner company, so we have a checklist of 100 plus steps. We did verification of the Google Ads account. We also did the verification of the closed account, and then we also did the verification of the website. There were some few errors like lack of shopping policy, lack of privacy policy pages, some content which was not acceptable by Google. Sometimes even if you're making a claim, for instance, if you're making a claim like lose 5 kgs in 30 days, that is not a claim acceptable by Google Ads, because they said how you are claiming this thing. Do you have a scientific evidence to lose 5 kgs? If not, that is not a valid ad, and you may get a circumventing system or any other suspension policy. So this exactly was the reason happened with the one of the client. So there were some few claims which unknowingly the client did not know that these words or terms were a violation of Google Ads policies. So that is why their account got suspended. In case if you don't know, we have been working with Google Ads account for suspicious payment, for egregious violation. Your account doesn't comply with business terms and conditions. Google Ads disapproval for compromised site, malicious software, trademark, circumventing system in ads, Google Merchant Center, website needs improvement, misrepresentation or other errors as well. So this was a very interesting case for us, and when we wanted to get it restored, but because it's a visa and traveling company issue, so in issues like this, the Google is very selective in restoring the account, so we had to wait a lot of months to get it restored. But the good thing is that we were able to finally restore another suspended account. So credits to all of my team who worked day and night. I had a developer who was working constantly on the website issues. I had a developer who was a support staff who was working directly with Google support, and then there was a guy who was looking on the account as account manager to see what possible errors the account has in the history, and what could be the things. Then also looking on the competitors who are running the same websites as us to see where on which areas we can improve, which areas we can work around, or knowingly or unknowingly we can missing out, and then convincing the Google team with the competitor pages, their websites, to see if they can run, then we can run as well. So we had a lot of arguments, discussions, negotiations. Then finally we were able to get the account restored. So this was a tough restoration, and I'd like to thank my client for being supportive and patient to us. So in case if you need a service regarding Google Ads suspension, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads management, or Google Merchant Center suspensions, me and my team can help. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will love to help you in getting your campaign back online. So thank you for watching. Take care and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can reveal similar case studies like this. So thank you for watching again. Take care and bye bye.